Hello, how's it going?
Doing great.
What's your name?
I'm Mark.
Mark, what are you up to today?
I'm up to skydiving with my two sons.
All right, who'd you bring with?
Well, the groom-to-be, Gabe, gonna get married in 2 days.
All right.
And then my youngest son, Josiah.
Josiah. So, has anybody done this before?
Yes,
Josiah.
over my 18.
All right. And you're still here and you're ready to do it again?
I'm ready to go again, man.
Mark, you think this is a good idea?
I think it's a great idea.
All right, you ready to go have some fun?
I'm ready to have some fun.
Anything you want to say to friends and family, guys, before we go jump out of the airplane?
We want to get the most out of life, love everybody, and this is what we're doing here today.
All
What
right.
goes up must come down.
That's right.
I could end what I started, then would I make you proud? If I could leave an impression on the mind of one man with a heart full of doubt, then I would hold you tighter than I ever had, and I'd lay your love in the palm of my hand, and we could dance.
Mark, let me help you up.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow.
Tell me how you feel.
I feel great and dizzy. And nothing like it. I've experienced anything like that. It was amazing. I can't put it into words like many people say.
Do you think you'll ever try it again?
Oh, I'd love to do it again. Yeah.
All right, man. Well, thanks for jumping with us here at Skydive DeLand.
Thank you for videotape. It's been great. Thank you.
Thanks to your amazing instructor, Lucas.
Yeah, Lucas, you are #1 in my book, buddy. I can't thank Lucas enough. He is awesome. He was not only great at what he does, but he was great in making me feel safe and secure.
All right.
And so Lucas is #1, man. Lucas, you're #1. Love you, buddy. I love you.